wood, desert fox.
Go for wood, over.
How many people do you have in your building? Over.
Say again.
How many shooters do you have in your building? Over.
I want to hit this building right here and post up on this corner. We got guys 2 buildings full.
Let's wrap around behind. I'll get some cover to down. Because that open window right there is already shooting from.
Dude, they're shooting through a crack. They're not supposed to shoot through that.
Yeah.
They gotta open it. Oh, they're shooting
It's
through that window?
this big.
That's that little
yeah,
window?
that little window is that big.
Fuckers.
Do you think our barrel is supposed to protrude out too?
Yeah, but hey, we don't play by the rules. It's fine. You know. All right, let's go around back. Let's hit that corner.
Okay, let's go. North side.
Good call.
Hit!
We got guys moving into our left side.
I think we should get back in the house.
We might have to.
We're going to head out along the southwestern edge. We're going to work our way around, try to make contact back up by the Chinook. We already went out once and got surprised, overran by the cartel. So now that we've chalked that up to experience and knowledge, we're going to head back out and try to link up with the crew who filled our spot out there.
Hate to say it, drugs aren't our priority right now, okay? So we okay for a fight?
Yeah.
We good? All right, we're going up the street, okay? Now, we're at the intersection again, this is the north side, okay? So as we get close, I want everybody looking for avenues. I want flanking avenue, I want cover points, I want to hear all the information we got, okay?
All right, let's go.
He looks like he's green though.
Enemies? Ours. Oh, ours?
Yeah. What's up?
Ours right here.
Roger, okay.
All right.
Hey, Woody, you got Rob on comms, right?
Yeah.
Green or tan?
You got that.
Roger.
What do you need?
We just let them know that we've got respawn and ammo in here. This is holy fuck, that's a giant bug over there. New Mexico 2-4.
Kaiju, woodcock over.
That's a bird.
That is, I've seen hummingbirds smaller. Nope, whole lot of nope.
That is nightmare fuel!
That thing took his ribbit this morning.
Are you sure we're not an episode of Starship Troopers?
Dude, I'm out of here.
Yeah.
Like, I love all things ugly planet.
A bug planet.
Roger, we're coming.
We're taking the last train to Nopeville right now after that thing. We're out. Not happening.
I'm glad I got that on camera. Yeah. Derek? Take 5 guys, flank around that building.
Robo, base of fire here.
Okay, let's go around the back.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Out and around.
Base of fire.
Alright. Runner, next house. 2 runners. One on the corner still in this building. Back side.
Move up! I'm coming, Ellis. You good? Drive back out.
They'll breach.
Yeah.
We got 10 in the building, guys.
Hey, you guys!
Oh! Searching, sir.
Searching, sir. Nothing wrong. But if you have a card or any intel, you just have to give it up.
Shit.
We could.
Yo, we got contact other side of this building.
Got it.
Other side of this building.
I'm covering you.
Searching. No card, no intel? Anything on you? Card, intel?
Yeah, but I don't want to give it away.
What do you got? I got your buddy's car. That's what I got.
Oh, well, I need that one back. I lost mine.
It's all blue.
Hold. I got it.
Do they have a back exit?
Go, hit it again. Hit it again.
Try to get far left. Oh, you both on the couch.
Go! 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 Get in there. Getting in. Watch that back door. Watch this. We need someone going right. Pull that door up and go right. Hold up. Be careful.
Smoke alarm.
Disarming it.
No, you're good.
Building clear.
Building clear.
I didn't see any.
No.
This is small one. There's no room. Big door.
Right behind you.
Go.
Oh shit, dude.
Go down.
Can you tell I haven't shot many people yet? Dude, that's so rookie.
It's all good, man. It's all good.
We're gonna prioritize getting this off at some point.
I won't upload this footage, I promise.
That's okay. I'll upload it and call myself terrible.
We got more back here.
Clear. Short room. Clear room. Clear.
You guys watch this angle this way. We got up and lower carbon this way. So they come around, or if they, we'll pretty much have good line of sight.
Somebody watch that window. Make sure nobody fucking sneaks out.
Now it's like, yeah, all the way up for now. Right, they're advancing.
Hey, Punk.
Yeah.
Can you push a little that way to scare them off? Just stay visible. Stay up. red one is not friendly.
No, yeah.
Not.
Copy technicals. They can't come back here. Nope. You can fall back to this shit, hold it.
Look at the doorway.
I'm relocating.
That's it. Yes. 2 dead here, 1 went back.
Right there on that corner. Keep that corner down.
You're good.
Got a riot shield moving up the street. Got a riot shield moving up the street. Robo, you up?
There's no. Hang on. What's wrong? Back in, sir.
No!
Bring. Got like a pistol down, dude.
I just fucking blocked everything that way. I wish I was wearing my headset because fuck you, that's why.
Just turn left.
Freaking awesome run, guys.